how to change the font on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're looking to give your iPhone a fresh new look, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to change the font on your iPhone running iOS 12 and more. Let's dive right in. So first of all, head over and open your settings and then tap on display and brightness. There you'll see text size, tap on it. And now you can drag the slider to increase the text size. And the paragraph above is the size of the text that will be used from now on. And you can go back and also enable bold text. Now, if you want a more larger text, what you can do is go to accessibility, go to display and text size and toggle on the larger accessibility text sizes. And there you go. That's it. You have successfully changed the font size on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.